Hey guys, this is second vlog day and it's New Year Eve today, so I'm going to central London. That's it. I'm taking Elizabeth line to Abbey Wood and I'll get off on the Liverpool Street and then I change my train. See I have reached Liverpool Street, so I have to change my train. I have to take Northern Line from Moorgate to London Bridge. Probably I'm going to London Bridge now. Let's see. Plan can be changed as well. Okay, I have to get off now. Bye bye. So guys, I'm in the Liverpool Street. I have to change train. I have to take the Northern Line from Moorgate. You can see. And I have to go. So let's take the. So I'm going to Moorgate and I have to change the train. I'm going to London Bridge. I'm excited because I was planning to go to central London from like 24th of December, and this is the day. This is the final day I'm going there, man. But I'm happy. So guys, I have get off at the station of Bank just for exploring, but now I'm thinking that was a wrong decision. Very long. Yes, exactly. So guys, I'm at the bank and look at the view, man. This building, oh god. Look at the display of the building. There's a Christmas tree over there. London Bridge. Guys, I have finally reached to London Bridge. You can see at the back, the lights. Look at this view, man. I'm in love with this view. Fog. It's crazy, crazy. So guys, I have to take stairs and I have to go from these stairs to London Bridge. I'm walking there. Yeah, it is slippery because it's raining. So guys, I'm here at the London Bridge. You can see it's amazing, man. It's amazing, really. The weather is like a bit not in favor, but still I'm enjoying it because of the decoration and the lighting effects at the London Bridge. God, it's really amazing. This is the engine rooms and shop. Okay, sure. Guys, I'm showing you this the Ivy because I used to work here as a commis chef, but now I have left that job because of my studies. I need to concentrate on studies now. And this is the view of London Bridge, as you can see. Council building, and it's near to like London Bridge. Council building means like what we call it in Hindi, like Panchayat Bhavan. Yeah, Panchayat Bhavan. So it's close to London Bridge. And everyone enjoying here. They're shouting, hooting, and all that stuff. Guys, this is the whole, like, what we can say, a 3D map of the whole London Bridge. You can see this is the London Bridge. This is the council building. Guys, there is the reindeer. I'm still near at the river side of the London Bridge, and there are chocolates, so many chocolates. There are a lot of things near the river side. The side of the London Bridge. Below. So guys, I'm at the Charing Cross station because I want to go at Trafalgar Square, and I'm planning to go to London Eye as well. So there's the London Eye. It's a beautiful view, you can see, and there are the leaves. It's a beautiful station, I can say that. This was a train, Southeastern train. I got this from the London Bridge station, and here I am. I have to get out of the station now. Let's go. I don't know the meaning of SNR. Oh, Southeastern Railway. Yes. See, I found it. Guys, I'm at the Charing Cross station, and I'm going near the Ivy where I used to work. So I'll just cross the road because I want to go to McDonald's as well. I want to eat something. I'm feeling hungry. Look at the decorations. So guys, this is the Ivy where I used to work. The Ivy here. And look at the Christmas tree. It's the biggest tree in London, which is in Charing Cross. Oh man. Oh man. What can I say? It's just so amazing.
Happy New Year! We welcome you with love from London. This is London.